Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. If you're encountering this problem and unable to complete a transaction on your Apple ID, follow these steps to resolve it on your device. First, go back to your home screen. Here are some possible solutions to help you fix the problem. First, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on your Apple ID, then select Payment and Shipping. Wait for a few seconds. Afterwards, simply remove your payment method temporarily. Then, after removing the payment method, go back and tap on Sign In and Security. Select Change Password and enter your device passcode. Wait for a few seconds and then change your Apple ID password temporarily. Then after changing the password, go back and sign out of your Apple ID on this device. Perform a forced restart of your device. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. And finally, hold the power button until your device restarts. Once your device has restarted, sign back into your Apple ID and add your payment method again. Go to Payment and Shipping and wait for a few seconds, then add your payment method again. Next, go back and scroll down to General, then tap on Software Update to update your device to the latest version. Check if the problem has been resolved. If you are still facing issues, contact Apple support for further assistance. And that's it for today's video. I hope this fixed your issue with the problem. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips.